I need all of us. Bullet in the bundle with the big frames. Nigga talking stupid, I'm a big ape. I hit the road and big bank. You hit the road and make big blanks. I'm too swift, I'm too smooth. Like a big body truck. Right here, getting switcheroo.
Sliding in that queue, you can't waste my time. You ain't talking about the money, then don't hit my line. Hit the real fresh just to fuck it up. Can't let a basic bitch come cuff me up. I'm a young nigga tryna chase them fucking bucks. Here come these Benji racks, I don't give no fuck. You a goofy ass nigga, lil' Donald Duck. How you cuffin' on a thought shit, a little slut?
YouTube, man, what it do, what it is. It's your boy Q50 Reggie. Welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we will be doing an updated car tour / mod list. Huh? No? Nah, it's not professional. I was making a YouTube video. No? Okay. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, so as y'all can see by the last clip, we got kicked out of the last location. So now we just here at a gas station. The gas station I usually be at. And it's better lighting, so it don't even matter no more. So yeah, man, I'm about to give y'all this car tour, updated car tour / mod list. Even though it's still stock, I'm gonna just show y'all the new stuff that I added to the car since the last time. You know what I'm saying? Since the last car tour, which is like, all right, buddy. Since the last time I recorded this a car tour, which was like what, September of last year. So it's about to be a whole year, man. So yeah, let's get into the video. Y'all, so unfortunately I don't have a cameraman, so I'm gonna do my best to show y'all everything that I did so far. Don't mind the look on my face. I'm kind of tired just a little bit. I just got off work. Not just got off work, but I've been working since this morning. I think I worked 11 to 7:30. So I'm just a little bit tired, man. It's like 11 o'clock. But besides that, we're about to get into the inside. So to start off with the inside, we finally got our carbon fiber steering wheel with the GTR logo. Shout out to my plug, man. This is probably one of the best. One of the best mods I done added to the car for sure. A lot of people don't know I got this steering wheel. A lot of people don't know because I don't really post too much of the inside of my car unless you look on like the POV drives and the thumbnails and stuff. But you'll be surprised how much people didn't realize that I had this. Next we got I don't remember if I had the ambient lighting in the last video, but yeah, we got ambient lighting on all the doors and right here. It used to go all up here, but I had took them out because they didn't fit because of the carbon fiber trim pieces. And speaking of carbon fiber trim pieces, I don't remember if I had these the last video, but yeah, I got some carbon fiber trim pieces. I think these was like, I got these from eBay. It was about like $30. Oh, and then we got the Tesla screen. Let's see if it'll turn on. We got the dash cam from Temu. See, I got the Tesla screen. I be playing Subway Surfers in this, but no cap. Turn it on. That stinger, a bit tough. Let's see if I can get it real quick. That shit sounds nice. Nice murdered out stinger. But is that it for the inside? Oh yeah, new POV is coming soon. Got a new camera mount right there. Is that it? I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I got the GT Racing head pillow just because. And now we about to go to the outside. And when we go to the outside, as you can see, the car is lowered. Shout out to Maxpeedingrods for sending me some coilovers. This shit is sitting super low. The fitment is super crazy. This side is lower than this side, so I gotta fix it real soon. I don't know if y'all can tell, on the video, but in person you could definitely tell that the other side is definitely lower. What else? Oh, I swapped back to the OEM mirror caps because the fake eBay carbon was not doing it for me no more. It was just ass. What else we got? We got the YouTube logo. We got Midnight. Shout out Midnight. That's my car group. We got some new stickers that I made. Cause the 4PF_Reggie ones that I had, they was ass, and I changed my Instagram names. So follow me on TikTok, Q50 Reggie, and then I got another one on this side that has my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Q50 Reggie. What else did I add? I think that's pretty much it for the outside, and then for the final finale. We got the money makers right here. We got the money making. Goddamn. Hold on. This is probably the best addition to the car so far. This is my favorite fucking mod. No cap, bro. No cap. If y'all say otherwise, y'all tripping. But if you got a Q50, get at me. I make custom headlights. If you're in Miami, Florida, you could just bring me your car, drop it off for the day, get it done. You get it back the end of the day. Or even if you're out of state and you want your headlights done, if you want, you could send me your headlights. I get them done, ship them out within a week. That's pretty much it, man. So, hold on, I gotta show y'all all the features. Not all of the features, but I could control it with a remote and stuff. I also hooked it up so I got the sequential feature, which is my favorite feature of all time. The sequential feature is definitely my favorite, bro. Definitely my favorite. Super clean, super clean. But yeah, like I said, if y'all got Q50s and y'all want your headlights done and in the Miami, Florida area, Miramar, Florida area, get at me. Price is going low. And prices will go up over time, so don't miss it, man. And oh, from the last video, I don't remember if I had a carbon lip, but I got some eBay carbon. I got an eBay carbon lip, and then from the last video, my front logo stopped working, so I got to get another one. And yeah, man, I think that's pretty much it. Before I end the video, I wanted to show y'all my damn molds and stuff. Let me get the remote out the car. I connected it to the battery so I could just use the remote control to turn it off. So I could change the molds with the remote. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Nah, this fire as hell. Beautiful. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite mods to the car. For sure, for sure. I can turn it off, turn it on. Change it to solid colors. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing like I did last time, and I'm gonna tell y'all for the next car tour video, the next updated car tour video, what I plan on doing within the next, I don't know, should I make it another year or should I do it when I'm doing my next big mod? I don't know. Till that day come, I want to wrap the whole car. I don't know what color yet, but I do want to wrap the car for sure. Next thing I want to do, I want to get a full carbon front. I want a full carbon front. If any sponsors want to sponsor me, please do. I would really appreciate it. But I want to go carbon hood, carbon bumper, and carbon fenders, bro. Like, that's the goal. No cap, man. So let's make it happen. We're gonna make it happen for sure. So yeah, man, please sponsor me, please, 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 please. I want to go carbon front, bumper, carbon fenders, carbon hood. Hold on. I want to go carbon trunk and also carbon rear bumper. I saw they just dropped one, so I want that as well. Please sponsor me. Yeah, man. So I really appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? I give whoever could give me a free hood, I got you with a free pair of headlights, man. No cap. Out of my courtesy. Custom headlights done by me. But yeah, like I said, for the second or third time, I want a full carbon front, hood, fenders, bumper, trunk, rear bumper. Shit, if they make doors, fucking carbon fiber doors, I want to go full carbon. I want a full carbon and shit. No cap, man. Go full carbon for sure. What's next? What else is next? Let me think. I don't know. I think that's pretty much it for real. I said full carbon front. Wrap the car. Got everything pretty much. Shit. What I could really say, RGB bumper and RGB fucking side mirrors, I guess. And they all could sync up with the headlights. I don't know, man. I'm just throwing shit in the air, hoping somebody could catch it and dunk that shit. Yeah, man. So that's pretty much the next moves for the car within the next year, for real. Oh wait, I almost forgot, man. Since last year when I recorded this video, I think I only had a muffler delete at the time. But now we done straight pipe this shit with some lower down pipes, and it sounds beautiful. So I'm about to let y'all hear it right now. This is a little warm start. It's a little warm start. And I'm about to give y'all some revs too. Yeah, man, so these straight pipe, lower down pipes. I'm about to show y'all how under the hood look. Even though I don't think it's nothing special for real, I'm about to still show y'all, man. Y'all boys like family. I'm about to still show y'all. It ain't nothing for real. Something like, feel me? You don't see none of the wires. Bro, I'm telling you, get at me for the headlights, man. Custom headlights, get at me, man. Clean wiring, you can't see nothing. You can't see no wires, no nothing, man. The wires is under here. And it's still not messy. Come on now. Y'all boys, get at me. Clean headlight install. Plus, you could get RG. You got a choice to get RGB with this. You could get white with a demon eye. I could throw a picture up. Man, y'all boys get at me, man. Feel me? Y'all boys get at me. I'm telling you, man. We going up 2024. I think I just hit what 2.57K followers or 2. I don't remember, but I hit great amount of followers, man, and I appreciate y'all boys for real. Yeah, man, like my yapping ass was saying in the last clip, I think I hit 2.5K followers on the ground in like what 2-3 months. I really started taking content serious on Instagram May 2nd. So May 2nd I had 304 followers, bro. That is crazy. Now I did 30 days consistent, I think the month of June, and I just shot up. I think I got like two videos with like 200K. I think I got two videos with over 100K. Man, Instagram Reels been going crazy for real. But YouTube, I'm going dumb for real as well. But I just gotta get more consistent. I don't want to keep dropping like the same repetitive content. But if y'all really like the POV drives, I'll crank them for y'all. No cap, man. I don't got no problem cranking POV drives for y'all. No cap. Cause that's how I'm really blowing up for real. If y'all really love the POV drives, and just how my car looks in general. And I appreciate y'all, because last year I would have never thought I would be having this right here, bro. Having custom headlights, learning how to do custom headlights on my own, all type of shit, bro. Man, I would have never thought, man. But it's all glory to God, and I appreciate whoever hit the follow button, whoever hit the subscribe button, whoever liked, all that, man. Whoever shared my stuff on these stories, I appreciate y'all. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate y'all. Because if it wasn't for y'all, for real, Maxpeedingrods would have never reached out. I would have never got my steering wheel in time. All type of stuff, man, that y'all helped me with, that y'all just don't know about, for real. Even though I'm not getting paid from YouTube right now, y'all leaving likes and comments and stuff, and sharing my videos on Instagram and YouTube and shit, man, it's really reaching out to people, for real. Even though it's not getting me paid, it's getting me notoriety, for real. I'm getting noticed. People sending me pictures of my car and while I'm at work, man. It's just it's a blessing, man. But yeah, man, I'm about to get up out of here. I'm tired. I'm about to go home, go to sleep. I'm gonna probably drop a POV. Probably do a POV tomorrow since I'm off. And yeah, man, I'm about to go home, go to sleep. I'm about to go home, take a shower, eat, then go to sleep. So I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video, man. Y'all boys stay up, drive safe, and I'm out.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.